In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make relaxing meditation music with Suno AI. Creating your own meditation music can be a soothing experience in itself, and with Suno AI, it couldn't be easier. First, let's get started by heading over to the Suno AI website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If you're new to the platform, you'll need to sign up, but don't worry. It's a straightforward process that only takes a few moments. Once you're logged in, look for the Create tab or button. This is your gateway to designing your custom soundscape. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the main creation interface. Now, because meditation music is typically instrumental, you'll need to find the instrumental option. This could be a button or a toggle switch. Make sure this is turned on. This step is vital as it ensures your track is free of vocals, allowing for a pure and uninterrupted meditative experience. Next, you'll see a text box where you can describe the type of music you want to create. This is where you let your imagination and creativity flow. Use descriptive terms that evoke the particular ambiance you're aiming for. Phrases like peaceful ambient music or gentle piano melodies work well, but feel free to use whatever language resonates with the mood you want to form. After you've outlined your musical vision with these descriptive prompts, you're ready to move to the next stage. Click the Create button and watch as Suno AI brings your descriptions to life by generating 2 unique audio clips. These clips are designed to reflect the ambiance you described, giving you some creative choices. Once the audio clips are ready, take some time to listen to them carefully. The beauty of this step is in selecting the clip that best aligns with your original vision. Maybe one will stand out with a melody that perfectly captures the peaceful atmosphere you imagined. Trust your intuition here. Finally, after deciding on the perfect clip, you can download the final audio file. This will give you a personal piece of meditation music you can use anytime you need to unwind or focus your mind. And just like that, with only a few clicks and a bit of creative thinking, you've crafted a piece of relaxing meditation music bespoke to your tastes. Enjoy the soothing sounds and the peaceful atmosphere they create, whether it's for personal meditation sessions or sharing with others seeking tranquility. Thanks for watching, and happy meditating.